High blood sugar, or diabetes, is often seen as a life sentence of restrictions and medication. But what if nature itself offered some gentle tools to help manage it? Today we'll explore how certain herbs and natural remedies can support your body, step by step, in controlling blood sugar. Not as a cure, not as a replacement for medical care, but as an ally alongside healthy living. First, let's understand the problem. Blood sugar rises when your body struggles to use insulin effectively. Over time, this can damage blood vessels, nerves, and vital organs. Modern medicine provides effective treatments, but complementary approaches like specific herbs may give you additional support. No herb can work without a solid foundation. That means balanced meals, daily activity, quality sleep, and maintaining a healthy weight. Even a modest weight loss of just 5 to 7% can dramatically improve blood sugar control. Herbal support works best when these basics are already in place. One of the simplest natural tools is soluble fiber. Psyllium husk, for example, slows the absorption of sugar from food. When taken before meals with water, it can reduce post-meal spikes and improve overall control. It's gentle, safe, and well-studied. Another herb gaining attention is berberine, found in plants like barberry and golden seal. Research shows it may lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, but it's powerful and must be used with care, especially if you already take diabetes medication. Always monitor your levels closely and consult a professional. Cinnamon is one of the most popular natural remedies. Some studies suggest it improves blood sugar, while others show little effect. If you try it, use Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia, to reduce risk of liver irritation. Think of it as a spice that may help, but not a magic bullet. Fenugreek seeds, often used in cooking, contain compounds that may slow carbohydrate absorption and support better sugar control. Gymnema sylvester, called the sugar destroyer in traditional medicine, has also shown promise in small studies. Both are intriguing options, but evidence is still limited and professional guidance is essential. Bitter melon, a traditional remedy in Asia and Africa, may mimic insulin in the body. Results vary, but some people notice improvement. Apple cider vinegar, when taken before meals, can blunt post-meal sugar spikes, though it's modest and not suitable for everyone. Both should be used carefully to avoid stomach irritation. If you decide to try herbs, do it one step at a time. Choose a single remedy, monitor your blood sugar daily, and track changes over 8 to 12 weeks. If levels drop too low, stop immediately and talk to your doctor. These tools are meant to complement your treatment, never replace it. Nature can offer support, but discipline and consistency remain the real medicine. Eat wisely, move daily, rest deeply, and let select herbs lend a hand. Managing high blood sugar is not about suffering, but about balance. With knowledge and careful steps, you can take control of your health. For more science-based health insights, subscribe to EverHealth, where health is made simple, visual, and timeless.